Good afternoon, Techout here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Final Cut Pro. This is version 12.6, version 10.6 of Final Cut Pro, and they have added one of the best features that I've been looking forward to in Final Cut Pro. It's something that you had to have a plugin for before, but now it's built right in. You don't have to pay for plugins. You don't have to worry about all that. Excuse me, all that third-party stuff. So right here, this is tracking, so you can use it for text, blurring, that kind of stuff, all that kind of stuff that you would use like keyframe tracking for. So what we're going to do is you can track, you can just add a track to your clip just up here in your editor. But if you want to add a blur, it's super simple. All you have to do is go to your blur here. We're just going to drag it up here onto our little window, and it's going to give us this box. So this is what we're going to blur, and then we can just go like this. Say I just want to blur the settings icon, for example. We're just going to put that over the icon, adjust it like so, and then I don't have any trackers right here. I don't have any trackers set up yet, so we're just going to click Object Track. And then, oops, sorry, no we're not. We're going to turn that up. We're going to move our blur back over here. And then resize it again. It doesn't have to be, I'm not going to make it perfect because like I said, I don't really care that much. And then we're going to push Analyze right here. And as you can see, the green box, it's tracking the settings icon right there. And it's going to track it until this goes off screen. So I think I'm going to flip the phone around here in a second, and you'll see that it stops because it's going to lose the track. So there you go, it lost it. It's going to go back, do it again, and then so if I flip the phone back around, I would have to let's see. I believe we can see the tracking. Yeah, so we can see right here where it's tracked from this point all the way to right here where I flip the phone around. That's where it stops. So if I bring the phone back around right here, it's not going to track that because it has to have, you have to reset it up again. Because it's not going to be able to determine where the object went. But if we go right here and we click that, let's see, let me just click done on there so we don't have the box. You can see we have the settings icon is blurred out, and it tracks perfectly with the movement of the phone. No keyframing, no nothing. Super simple and quick. No extra work. It does everything automatically. So that is very nice. We're just going to let's see. We're going to get rid of, actually, we'll just leave that right there. So pretend we want to point out that that is the settings icon. So we can just get a basic title right here. And I'm just going to leave it like it is. We're going to move it where we want it. So I'm just going to drag it over here. Nothing fancy. Just a couple, So say we want to point out what that is, but we don't want to actually show like the icon. We'll just do that. And we will hit transform. And I believe one of these was our, yep, there we go, settings. So I think we should have that set right. There you go, and you can see the settings text follows the phone and stays lined up right with the settings icon right there until it goes away right there. So super simple, very easy. There's a bunch of different stuff you can do with it, but that's just some of the basic stuff that I've used it for in the past day since it's come out in the update. This does require a Big Sur. I don't know if it requires an M1 Mac or not, but it is optimized for that. Of course, a lot of the new Final Cut stuff is optimized for the new Apple Silicon. Very cool though. Something I've wanted to do before, but keyframing just takes forever. And now you can just let it analyze the clip by itself and no issues whatsoever. This has been Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.